the complete tour. This is Fact Extract, start to finish. One real set of documents all the way through. Our test set? Department of Justice FOIA files on Al Capone. They're perfect practice. Faded photostats, stamps, handwriting. Hundreds of pages of related documents, tracking people and events across a span of years. Start at factextract.net. Drag your PDFs in. Name the job and pick an extraction structure. The questions to ask every document. Then choose the unit of analysis, per file, per page, or auto-detected documents. Before anything runs, you get a quote. Line item math against your balance. No charges until you approve, confirm, and processing starts. 7 stages run on their own. OCR, document detection, AI extraction, then verification. This job took about 40 minutes, most of it verification and QA. Done. 227 pages became 128 documents, detected, titled, summarized. Download both results, the Excel workbook and the SQLite database. Open the workbook. First stop, configuration. Paste the folder path where your PDFs live with the trailing backslash. That one paste points every row's open link at your source files. Summary results. Every question is a column. Filter or sort by date for an instant chronology. Every value carries a citation, document, page, and page ID. And open means open, straight to the scan page. Fact Extract Desktop. That second download is SQLite, a single database file. 3 things inside. The text of every page, read by AI Vision. Metadata, which pages belong to which documents. And the summaries factextract.net wrote? Fact Extract Desktop reads all of it. Free and local. In the database library, import factextract.net database. Pick the file you downloaded, name it, and point it at the folder of PDFs you uploaded. That part's optional, but with it, the desktop can display and export the original pages. One more choice, semantic search embeddings. Say yes, and it builds them now, locally, in minutes. Or add them later from the database card menu. Done. 184 embeddings, ready to search. Search content. Keyword mode finds the exact words, highlighted on every page. Quote a phrase to match it whole. Proximity, gangster. Within 7 words of Joe. 3 pages. The precision slider widens the net. Lower precision forgives typos and OCR errors. Hoover with 2 zeros still matches. That's a lifesaver on free, locally made databases that use traditional OCR. Semantic search hunts ideas, not words. Ask for extorting farmers who grow grapes. Quotes make those words one concept. Top hit, a $4,000 tribute check on 100 cars of grapes. And not one of our search words is on the page. It even surfaces a 1925 newspaper piece on the racket. It reads in half-page chunks and whole pages, so broad themes surface too. This is what those embeddings were for. Search summary flips the target. Query the extracted answers themselves. Author. Hoover. Every variant, each a click from its page. And Search All Databases sweeps every database you own at once. Double-click a hit, the exact page opens. Match highlighted. Working a page? Add a note. Notes join a collection automatically. Filter to them anytime. The export menu. PDFs, text, source documents, notes. A search can become a folder of pages. Or structured text built for AI analysis. The timeline plots any date field. Add a second track and see the whole collection at once. Click a dot, every field, cited. Open the PDF page itself. List View builds the cards you want and exports them straight to Excel. Data Chat connects the database to your favorite AI, Claude or others through Goose and anything LLM. Ask in plain English. Every answer cites its sources. Click a citation, the desktop opens the exact page. Reports, tables, artifacts, it can build those too. Need help? Every page has a question mark. Related topics link the whole manual together. And Data Chat reads the same help, so your AI can teach you the app. Ask for the overview explained like you're 5, and you'll get it. Not sure what to ask? Ask what to ask. Researching in chat? Say, save that to findings. Facts land in a findings table inside your database. View it, edit it, export it. In the desktop, anytime. Research in chat. Keep the facts where both you and the AI can reach them. There's an agent notes section too. The AI can plan a project, track steps, store notes. In long chats, the AI's reminded those notes exist. Claude brings powerful planning of its own. Simpler models, say through Goose or anything LLM, on Fireworks or Bedrock, can lean on agent notes instead. Want that? Just ask the AI to use them. One more. On the database card menu, export to Excel. The whole database. Summaries, fields, collections, 4 sheets. Great for note-taking and for Notebook LM or ChatGPT. They can't connect live the way Claude does, but they read your exports just fine. And that's the tour. A solid introduction to FactExtract. The fastest way to learn more? Use it and ask your AI about it. FactExtract.net. Your documents have answers. Find them.